Hi, it's Jeff from Children Across America. Hey, I'm hopping on the elevator. Come on in. I got something great to tell you about. It's called Children Across America. Okay, we're in Milton, Massachusetts, and we got programs that are going to help the underserved in an unbelievable way. Why? Our programs are unique. It's because we empower the people that participate in them, whether it's parents or children. Preventative care literacy. For example, our literacy programs, right? We're not teaching kids how to read, we're teaching kids how to enjoy reading, how to interact in a book club, how to learn the most by interacting with the literature, how to find the right genre. Once a child enjoys reading, they're going to read more on their own, they're going to become much more literate. Preventative health, yeah, we're going to offer shots and immunization for kids. At the same time, we're going to educate parents. Where are the pediatricians around you? And how important it is for your child to get a yearly checkup. These are our programs in a simple form, but to learn more, you really need to visit us on childrenacrossamerica.org. Hey, I got a meeting to go to. Thanks for listening.